Hi, Matt Holmes here from ADAMA with a quick demonstration on how to manually insert Di-Bak G tablets into a woody weed. So what you'll need, of course, first of all is your Di-Bak G tablets, the plugs that go with them, a little hammer and a cordless drill with a 8mm drill bit. Regular wooden drill bit will do. What I recommend is that you paint with white paint or something like that, about 40 mils from the end, so you know how far to actually put your drill, or when you're drilling into the tree, how far to go. So we'll just do that now. There you go. Once you've drilled your hole, put your Di-Bak G tablet in, just push it in with your fingers. Follow that with the little dowel plug. And then using the hammer, just tap it in. And that's it. If you want any more information, please contact one of your local distributors. Thanks.